Hey guys, it's Haru Miyagi. I just wanted to do this video that's going to go right here. And so it's just the get start video and get it installed and help you get set up. So first off, you'll be at this website and you'll see this link right here. It says Magic. That's what you want to click on. But before we get started, we want to go down to the very bottom here, like right around this area. Can you see it? You want to click on this link and you can get redirected to the site called finfx.fi. You can assist you to open either a mini account, regular account, pro account, or they can just assist you in opening anything with like the MetaTrader 4 platform. So that's exactly what you want to do is get MetaTrader 4 platform, go to platforms and click MetaTrader 4. So once you click on that, it'll direct you to this site right here and just click on download FinFX MetaTrader 4. Once we download the platform, it'll actually go like this. Okay, this is what we want ultimately. Okay, but going back to the site here, to the Magic site, you can also get set up with the VPS server. So you can click on that and get set up doing that as well. But ultimately, we want to get Magic on your computer. So first off, is you want to click on the link. Okay, and then here on the bottom, you'll see the zip file. You want to open it up and you'll have this ex4 file. And all you have to do is you can drag and drop this into your platform or your desktop. And I already have it on my desktop, so I'm going to walk you through on getting it onto your MetaTrader 4 platform. So the next step is, for some individuals, it depends on your computer. I'm going to walk through two different styles and two different setups. So one may apply to you and one may not. So you can pause this video and see which one fits you. I'm going to click on this meta editor, and at the meta editor here on the left hand side there'll be a navigating folder right here. Okay, the library folder. You can open it up. It says expert. Ultimately you want to say Magic here, and you can right click, go to open folders, and that file we were talking about that was on the desktop, you can just go ahead and open that and it'll appear right here. Okay, so that is one way. The other way you want to actually try to upload Magic is very simple. You go to Start, then Computers, go to your C drive, Program Files, and then go to FinFX, MetaTrader 4, FinFX, MQL4, then Experts, and then this is where you place the file, like so. Okay. Once you do that, you go to the navigator of your MetaTrader platform, so bring that up. And then here on the Expert Advisor folder, here will be Magic. Okay, all you have to do is just drag and drop this into your platform, which I already have done. So I want you to make sure that these are check marked the way they are. So here you make sure it's allow live trading, allow DL imports, and so on and so forth. Make sure they're check marked the way they are right here. Okay. Also, make sure it's smiling at you. That's very important. If it's not smiling at you, then you want to make sure that this is check marked as well. Okay, see how it frowns, smiles, frowns, smiles. Next is tools and options. You want to make sure that these are check marked the way they are. And you can pause the video to make sure and compare with your charts that these are selected the way they are. So you want to do that precisely to make sure it does work for you. Okay, and say X. And so once you use it, you'll see that it placed a trade for you. Okay, so let's go through kind of a couple examples of it working, and what you want to consider is just to do a test run. Okay, you can test it on a small time frame and just make sure it's pulling the trigger and putting stop losses, take profits, and the left hand side it will actually have the commands that's going to do for you. So a couple things you want to make sure is the command being selected on the top left. Also, is your computer falling asleep on you? If it is, then you want to get a VPS server. Are you typing the command in right? We'll just walk through a couple examples, okay? Here, I already have it on here, but some of your charts may start like this when you get the MetaTrader 4 platform. You may like it like this, you may not like it like this. So what I'm going to show you is go to Properties, and you can change these colors the way you want to. Okay, so if you want to change it, whatever color that's nice for you, but I like it clean. Okay, I like a clean chart with white and red candlesticks. Some of you might like different colors. I'm just going to right click, go to Properties, and like I said, you can pause this video and say, okay, I like these colors, You know, the white background's a little hard on my eyes. That's fine. You can change it to a blue background. Blue, blue, or green background. I can't even say blue. Say okay, and just select it the way you want to. Okay, so once you have that done, like I said, well, we need to get Magic on here. So go to Navigator like this and drag and drop. Make sure that's all good, and you can actually save a template with this on here, so that you don't have to sit there and drag and drop all the time. So you can name it as Magic, which I already have. I say OK. All right, and then price must be below this line for the buy break command to work. Okay, so here I put buy break. Now sometimes you might have put a space between it or spelled it wrong. It has to be spelled like this and with no spaces. You might have a big B, that's fine, but like I said, some people put a space and it's not going to work. In order to know it's going to work for you is the left hand side here. Let me just close this out so it's better for you. See how it's showing you where it says break at this price, and of course it says buy break. Yeah, that's what it's going to do for you. So when price comes above it, then it'll enter the trade. One other thing to consider, okay, and this is just to more personalize it for you guys, is you guys can decide on your parameters. Okay, so some of you might want to trade with 10 cents, some of you might want to trade with $1 as a contract or a standard lot. Okay, whatever you feel is necessary for you. Okay, and you can just use your money management to your account size. Here I actually set this as false. I don't want it to alert me, and I just want it to place the trade after it meets those parameters. Okay, so I put buy break. I also put the buy SL command in here. Okay, and like I said, it'll show you the command on the left hand side, top left, that it's going to do that for you. Okay, but you just want to double check, make sure it's working properly. And we may have someone just come in contact with you, or you can call us and just let us know, or email us. Let us know if there's anything that that you're missing, because we want to make sure it's working for you. Okay. So, like I said, you can use it on any time frame, and so on and so forth. It's just awesome. Just make sure it says on the left what it's going to do for you. Okay. Let's actually look at a sell opportunity so you get a better idea of this tool here. Let's do the pound yen. Okay, and then like I said, what you do is you draw your trend line, you put in sell break if you expect this market to continue going downwards after it surpasses the line. So right now, price is above the line. I want to put sell break if the market closes below this line, which can happen at any time. I mean, it could be when I go to bed or out and about, so on and so forth. That's the beauty of this tool. So once it breaks this line, it'll place that trade for me. Then it'll have my stop loss, my take profit. In order for a stop loss and take profit to work, you have to have a trade in there. Okay, manually or unmanually, or majestically. Okay. So after you do that, like I said, on the left hand side, it'll have all this information displayed for you, so you know what it's going to do for you. But this is just an idea, so just imagine if it crosses the line, if it does continue going downwards, then I want it to look for take profit right around here. Okay, and those red lines will appear. Alright, like I said, you want to just do like a little test run. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us with us, and hopefully you get all set up and start using Magic. Alright, take care guys.